Imagine this. You're standing on 119 acres of pristine real estate. A golf course with waterfalls, luxury suites, and millionaires putting for birdie. And off in the corner, a bunch of goats. Why? Because they're saving someone hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. Welcome to one of the weirdest loopholes in American real estate. This isn't tax fraud, it's not even shady. It's completely legal, and the playbook is older than you think. This is a story about how a law designed to protect family farmers turned into a tax haven for billionaires. In the 1960s, New Jersey had a problem. Cities were expanding, suburbs were exploding, and developers were buying up farmland. So land values and property taxes skyrocketed. Small family farms couldn't keep up. Their land was suddenly worth millions of dollars, but not because of crops, because of developers and the development potential of the land. And to make things worse, agriculture was becoming industrialized. Massive corn and soybean farms in the Midwest were outperforming and outcompeting small New Jersey family farms, which were more diverse. So in 1964, the state felt it had to do something about it, and they passed the Farmland Assessment Act. And it saved thousands of local farms. It stated if you farm 5 acres of land and earn just $1,000 a year from it, you can qualify for massive property tax discounts. Laws age, and this one aged poorly. Fast forward to the early 2000s, one of the most expensive pieces of land in the state is now a luxury golf course in Bedminster, owned by Donald Trump. It's 500 plus acres of manicured grass, clubhouses, and high society. But on 119 acres of it, Trump brought in goats. He had hay harvested, and he even listed some wood cutting operations. Why? Because that little sliver of land now counts as farm under New Jersey law. The tax bill on that 119 acre parcel of land should have been over $140,000 a year. Trump paid $700 legally. He saved an estimated $3 million opening that course in 2004. And yes, he did the same thing at another course in Colts Neck. This isn't just about Trump. He's the most famous case, sure, but plenty of wealthy landowners in New Jersey and other states do the same thing. So what can be done about this? You could raise the minimum farm revenue to something more meaningful, like $10,000 a year, for example. You could ban golf courses and luxury estates from qualifying. The third option would be you could scale tax breaks to actual land use, not just filing status. And then the fourth option would be public transparency. Let people know who's using these breaks and how much they're saving. Now, all of these options have trade-offs, and unfortunately, some of these trade-offs include hurting the people that this law was created to protect, some of these smaller farmers, right? And in option 4, you could see how there might be some personal privacy issues. And reforms like this often stall because the people benefiting usually have lawyers and lobbyists and goats, apparently. Donald Trump didn't break the law. He used it exactly as written. This issue is really part of a bigger trend. Wealthy individuals legally minimizing taxes through tools originally meant to help the middle class. Examples of this would be trusts, depreciation, 1031 exchanges, agricultural exemptions, etc. The challenge isn't just closing these loopholes, right? It's writing tax codes that reflect their original intent while resisting exploitation. And obviously, this is really, really hard. Drop a comment if you think this loophole should be closed or if you're off to buy a few goats yourself. And if you enjoyed this story, hit like and subscribe. And as always, guys, this is not financial advice. This is all just my opinion and perspective on these topics. So always approach the right people when making any sort of financial decisions. And I'll see you guys later.